DNA testing in Kenya is typically used for a variety of purposes, including paternity testing, immigration, and forensics. DNA testing can also be used to diagnose genetic disorders and to determine an individual's risk of developing certain medical conditions. DNA testing is typically performed in a laboratory setting and requires a sample of DNA, which can be collected using a cheek swab or a blood sample. The DNA sample is then analyzed to determine the specific genetic makeup of an individual. There are several hospitals and laboratories in Kenya that offer DNA testing services. It is important to note that DNA testing can be expensive and may not be readily available in all hospitals and laboratories in Kenya. It is recommended that you contact the hospital or laboratory directly to inquire about the availability and cost of DNA testing services. Some of the hospitals and laboratories that you might consider include Kenya Medical Research Institute KEMRI. At KEMRI, they offer two types of DNA testing. 1. A legal DNA test. A legal DNA test is required as evidence in a court of law. The sampling procedures must follow a strict chain of custody documentation process to ensure that the results are legally defensible. 2. Personal knowledge DNA test. The process is less stringent. You can opt for self-collection, you can order for the test online, or you can visit their laboratory and have the sample collected for you. They also offer a home paternity test kit as a choice, if you want an answer for personal knowledge and peace of mind only. Bioinformatics Institute of Kenya. Their DNA testing services include DNA paternity, DNA maternity, DNA siblingship, DNA grandparent, and DNA avuncular uncle and aunt test. Alpha Biolabs Kenya offers comprehensive and accurate DNA tests that verify relationships between family members. Our discreet and secure testing services offer peace of mind when verifying paternity, maternity, relationships between siblings, grandparents, aunt, uncle, twins and more. Easy DNA Kenya. They specialize in paternity testing. Results provide 100% accuracy if the male tested is not the biological father of the child and a 99.99% probability if he is biological. They also offer a wide range of other tests including DNA profiles, DNA ART, twin zygosity DNA testing, forensic DNA testing, genetic predisposition test and ancestry DNA testing. Pathologist Lancet Kenya. As a diagnostic, monitoring, and screening laboratory, Pathologist Lancet Kenya Limited provides paternity DNA and other laboratory routine, specialized, and esoteric tests from standalone lab facilities and in partnerships with other well-known institutions or organizations. Nairobi Hospital. This is a leading private hospital in Kenya that offers DNA testing as part of its diagnostic services. Kenyatta National Hospital. This is a public hospital in Kenya that offers DNA testing services. Kindly subscribe to learn more about Kenya. Cheers.